Don't talk to me. Talk to me nice. Okay, I am back. Happy Sunday. I'm gonna try to upload this today. That is Sunday, December 5th, I think. I'm gonna try to get this. Please don't mind the mess. This is part of my haul that I'll be doing later today. But I'm just heading to return my rental car that I got for the weekend. Because, you know, I don't own a car. And so I'm like trying to see if I want a car or not. It's been nice, but you know, I work from home, so I don't need a car every day. But I'm also thinking of maybe putting a car on Turo. So there's a lot happening. But I'm just heading to the mall to return my rental, and this is my little outfit because I'm like, look, I don't really have anywhere to dress up to go, and I haven't worn these boots that I bought, so I'm wearing them today. These are Steve Madden, I believe. I can't even see, but they're super cute. I just paired it with some jeans, a white button down. I love this jacket that I got from Marshalls. It's super cozy and soft, and I got lots of compliments on it. And then this little tan is like a reversible belt. The inside is black, and just some like simple hooped earrings. I don't know if you guys could see that. There you go. But yeah, no makeup today, just some vitamin C oil, super shiny. But I'm gonna go get some sunscreen because I don't have any sunscreen, and I was outside yesterday, so just destroying my skin. But yeah, I'm heading to the mall, and this is the fit, so let's go. Okay, so we're in the car, and I'm getting ready to say goodbye. You guys, my skin, oh my god, I have like a few dark spots. I'm gonna go get some either maybe some Black Girl sunscreen, or the let me straighten this, or the Super Goo. But my skin, I'm so proud. Like, I have this little area here, it's just on my cheeks, but I'm so happy with my skin, you guys. And this, don't talk to me, talk to me nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go say bye to my little car. It was really nice. It's a Mazda CX-5, and I am very happy. Like, I just was gonna get an economy car, and then the car rental agent, he like upgraded me, so I was like, okay, cool, whatever. Like, I don't even care. I just wanted something because I had to drive kind of far to go get my brakes done. But I'm super happy, and I'm like, I might ask him like what their process is on like buying cars. I don't need a car, but you know, it's very convenient, and also I can make money on Turo because I'm at home most of the time. So during the week, or like maybe like two weekends a month, I could rent out the car, make some extra money on the side. Girl, we're hustling this year. But anywho, I'm about to start driving, and then I'll be back when I'm at the mall. Bye. Okay, so I'm saying goodbye to the car. Bye, car. It's a really nice SUV, you guys. Okay, so I did stop by Sephora to get a few things. I did get my sunscreen, like I mentioned before. You can head over to my TikTok to see a little review of everything I got. I also did an Ulta haul. I got this Fenty Beauty lip luminizer in the color Hot Chocolate, so I'm excited to use that. And then I just got a lip liner and headed out. I stopped by this place on the way out. I was like, oh, it's lunchtime, let's have some food. This is Brio Tuscan Grill in Northern Virginia. They have a really good menu. This sangria was delicious. There was a little bit of a wait time to get my food. I think they were short-staffed, but the food was definitely worth the wait. Everyone was super nice. My server was great, and you guys, the salmon really did not disappoint. This is the grilled salmon pasta. Everything was so flavorful. I was like, I need to go shake the chef's hand or something, because they put their foot in this. Now, I ate most of it, and I did take my leftovers to go. Here I am on the Lyft ride home. Bittersweet. I had to return my rental car, but we'll make a decision soon about the car. I just headed home and enjoyed the rest of my Sunday. I did not film the rest of my haul. I did that actually today, which is Monday. But I just want to say thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Thank you for supporting. Be sure to subscribe, follow me on socials, and I'll catch you in my Vlogmas series. Bye!